So today, what do we do today? I have no idea. I didn't think about what we program today. I was just gaming the whole day. I was just playing Anno. I built a city. I built a colony. I built like a fleet. Whenever I get to games like this, I'm just directly addicted. It's insane. So I didn't really prepare anything, um, which is good because now you can tell me what to do. Now you can tell me, hey, couldn't we just implement yes? And I'm like, yeah, that's a good idea. That's exactly what I thought. Hi, Red. Hi, Boo. Whoa, stop. I just, if you see this, it's just water. I just can't drink. I'm an idiot. Hi, Gordon. Hi. How is everyone's evening? What are we implementing today? SPNS. Good question. I have no idea. I didn't really plan on anything. Um, that's why. Okay, first thing, as always, the first thing we do basically every stream now is we check the state of the program as it is right now of the game because I can't remember. It's been 2 days. 2 days. And I can't remember. You have me in your notification box? Why? Or why do I show up in notification boxes? I'm such a small streamer. There's always like, it's not really small. It's like not existent, but usually like 10 people watching or so, which is already a lot actually, if you ask me. But definitely not a professional streamer, especially since my internet doesn't really work. But tomorrow, finally, tomorrow, I will most likely have a technician here that takes care of it. Should take care of it. Let's see if they can do it. Where is the game? You're playing with Thick Girl. Say my greetings. Say hi for me. Greetings from Mechatronica. Greetings back from Germany here. So, right, alright, we implemented the sensitivity last time. What's the plan for today, Gordon? I don't know. SPNS also asked. I think we're gonna implement a little bit of gameplay. Let's see, we can go camping. We've got the nice little loading screen here. And then there's like game here. I think I was just wondering what that sound is, and you can't hear it because I'm listening to music, which is copyrighted, so I won't do that because that's annoying. But I just heard like it sounded like a fire, and of course it's the fire here. I added sounds a little bit. Can I select my own killer? Right now, there's not really. It's not like what's the game? What's the game called where you can select your own killer? Where you can kill others. It's not a multiplayer thing. It's just a simple single player thing. Yeah, I think I want to add some gameplay today. Yeah. Oh, we're just gonna build levels. That's it. Oh, I know. Now I know what we're doing. We've got those different scenes here. I've got the main menu. That's what we're in. I've got the game intro scene. Why is everything black? You see that? Why is my whole map black? Dead by Daylight. Yes. Dead by Daylight. Yeah, we're not gonna add story elements. We're just gonna add gameplay elements now. Okay, that still works. Like there's different regions. Why is this so dark? Oh, because I have the lights turned off. Sub number one. No, it's still. What? What? Why is this happening? This never happened. What? I broke it already. Is it just me? The spoopy part I will do offline. I already did parts of it. But I want to make this. I want to publish this game, and that's when like there's no spoilers basically. It's a long forest. Yeah, but I don't know why it. Why is the light broken like this? Forest intro, forest night. Oh, is it? No. I kind of like. What? Why is it? Why does it do that? It's never done this. Great. First minute, not my internet that craps out on me. It's now just my game. Let me just restart this. Because I don't know what the problem was there right now. I mean, it's not 100% important. Yeah, it is important. If we want to add things, it's important to see them. Maybe it's because I can't drink. That's gotta be it. Yeah, if it's broken, just reload. The editor layout could be fully loaded. That's fine, I know. Directional light. Why is that? .25. What? How did I break it already? I mean, what? What? How did that happen? Thing is, I don't even have light turned on, so it should. It's like it's my editor that does that. But why? If I go close enough, I can see things, but only if I'm like really close. There we go. Hey, my nice face. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, here's a thing. Yeah, we're making a horror game here. Thing is, if you can't see, okay, I already solved the thing in my head, and now I'm thinking like, okay. Yeah, of course, light is a big part, but right now it was broken. Here's a thing: if you can't see far, right, what could be a reason in reality? Like it's you're in the woods or you're outside and you can't see far. What could be a reason? It could be your eyes. It could be dark. It could be fog. SBNS. Yes, I've got the fog turned on. Spooky noises. We don't have spooky noises yet. Just a little bit, but not many. Of course, I turned the fog on. The fog that is in game. If I turn it on, of course I can't see far. Now I can. My goodness. Help me a lot in my work, Boan. You're very welcome. That's why I make those, just to help. Good. So, perfect. Now that we've got this, turn the fog on. Why would I turn the fog on in my programming file? That doesn't make any sense, but okay. Probably tested something and forgot it. Spooky elements, there's gonna be like monster or monsters in the dark, and you gotta fight them. For example, one is out here. Can we see it in the... It should be here. Why is it not there? Oh, it's the wrong room. Boink. That's, for example, one here, some shadow creature, right? That kind of follows you around, and you don't know what to make out of it. And there's like, I plan on having 5 different monsters. There is... So that's for everyone. Also, the guys that have, like, that are always here. That's new. I thought about it. Map. There we go. Like, we had our map with the markers here. Map with markers, and it doesn't have markers. That's strange. Okay. Yeah. We had those. You don't really have to defeat them, but you can't fight them off, but you can't really defeat them, I think. Yeah, we have those 5 locations: the campsite, the hidden lake location here, the bunker, lumber mill, and the hospital. And those 5 locations, I want one different monster in every location. Right? Every location should have one type of monster. Maybe they're also kind of similar. I don't know yet. Yeah. So that's the general thing I want to do. This is real from Google Maps, yeah. But I'm not using that in game anymore. But it was somewhere in the US. I don't know. Somewhere Florida, I think. California? Pennsylvania? I can't remember. I'm not. Now we're using this map. That's the one that's in game, which is basically a representation of the real thing. Yeah, but at every location, I want kind of a monster. Somewhere in the America, yeah. And every location has like a small riddle or something that you have to do. Music's way too loud. Yeah. So that's the plan. That's why we have those locations, right? We have those locations. There's a monster in the pool again. Oh no. Again. The again part worries me a little bit there. Yeah. Here's the thing that I want to do. Oh, I love it when I see it on the side, how when my internet craps out, how it lags. It's always funny. But here is the thing I want to do. This little house here, it's a very, very small little house. It's going to be one of the locations, and you have to find things. You have to fight off the monster, whatever that's going to be. And that thing here, every of those locations should be a separate level, so to say. Right? A level, which is called a scene. So I will make one scene per location. Yes. Kinda. Yeah, red, kind of. That's the plan. I don't know yet. I have to use the free material that's out there. I'm not going to create monsters. I'm just going to download some. But yeah, that's kind of the plan. So let's actually close those doors again here. Let's grab our player that's somewhere. That's the intro. I don't care about the intro here. I want to go into the scenes, and there's Forced Night. Right back. Monsters for the locations. Nah, I want to keep it subtle. Yeah, that's what we have. And then we can go in, like using those doors, and we load the room, and then we're inside the room. So it's different levels, if you want to say it like that. I do that for 2 reasons. First reason is to make it efficient from the computing side of things. The second, my ear hurts. The second reason is I want to implement a save system, like saving the game and stuff. And that is easy done if you have different scenes. I'm just gonna save this scene is done, like that level is done, and then you can pop back into the main scene. Yeah, so this here is going to be one scene. And it is gonna create some folders here. Locations. Just like in Skyrim, or how it was usually done back in the days when I was still young. Yes. Locations, and there's gonna be and this is the first, which is the first location that actually. I think, yeah, that's the first location that I want to use. I mean, it's far off the road here, but that's okay. We gotta travel a little bit through the forest. That's fine. Yeah, that's the first location. Can I just copy and paste scenes? Can't. Unfortunate. Shack? How did I call it? Sea Shack? I don't know. Something like this. I think Sea Shack. Yeah. So that's gonna be one of the scenes. And if I open it up, you will see it is exactly nothing. It was something, it was a light actually, but now it's exactly nothing. That's what I want. Yes, just as I like my levels. This is the perfect level right here. If I press play, it's gonna say no camera rendering. Perfect. That's so spooky. You open a door, you go into a house, and no camera rendering. No, I broke the game. That's not what I want. I want everything that I have in the other level here. But first of all, I also want the lighting settings of this. That should go in here. Yes. Save. Directional light FS017 night. And I need to copy and paste. I just want to copy and paste now everything from the other level into this one. That is possible. You can copy and paste is possible, but you cannot just copy the whole scene. For whatever reason, I was wondering why. Does anyone remember what the skybox was? Shit, I can't remember. FS017. Which one? Fuck. Probably night. Probably just night, yeah. Yes. Fog, sure. Why not? Good. So that's one thing. What now? I could theoretically delete everything that I don't need. Let's do that. Because I just don't need it. Right? In that scene, I mean, I can load the whole terrain. Of course, I will do that. So we have background stuff and so. But the rest, no. I don't need any of this stuff. So basically, all the locations. Let me just delete a couple of things so that we are better with the just pure computing power. Locations, bunker, be gone. A road, be gone. Hidden lake. No, that's the one we need. A small lake, be gone. A visible lake, be gone. Camp. Yeet. Can I heat it? Yeah, sure. It's not really optimizing. It is optimizing, but no, it is optimizing. You're right. Yeah. So basically, I didn't do anything now except for deleting everything we always had, and now I can build the level. In the level itself, I want basically things you have to find and classic stuff. Very classic, traditional, easy stuff. Player starts inside their house, of course. Let's see if that works. Now we should just be in the house. Well, we are, yeah. Our mouse sensitivity is so freaking low. Do I have to? Is it? Is it so low because I have set it in the main menu? Oh, I could have just hit escape. So let's see higher. Maybe a bit too high, but for testing it's fine. Yoink. Ah, we're in the main menu. I was wondering, wrong room, wrong scene, wrong room. Yeah, so now that we are in this room here, which is freaking dark, and we need to use our flashlight, of course, which makes sense. Oh, that's the fog outside. The fog outside now looks pretty cool, I would say. It looks maybe a little bit more even. 04, 004, that looks nice. I mean, it does look nice, but it's like fog. Let's give it a different color, maybe even. Something like that. It's not pretty, but that's okay. It's pretty dark and 004. Dark 004. Yeah. And of course the fog is not real fog. Like in other games, it's not volumetric as it's called. It's just like, I don't know how they do it, but it's not volumetric fog. So and then we need to add things into this room here. Into this room we need to add things, and then we need to do things, and maybe a small riddle here and there. Adding elements now here. I already have this usable script, so I can reuse a lot of things that we already have. The first thing I want to change here is actually our good old Chad, the player. Because we're in a house, we're way slower. One thing needs to change here. This needs to be deleted. I just deleted the player from this because I want to do the following. It's a little bit strange if you don't know how that works. Yes, some stuff like batteries. Where's the player? Oh, it's the main menu. The main menu doesn't have the player. Players anyway, it doesn't matter. So the player itself will be something called a prefab. So the player will go here in this list and it will turn blue. Now the player here is blue, which means if I change him in any room, it's going to change in all the other rooms. So it's always the same player. So if I add things, they're also going to be added to the other room sex toys. Or maybe. Maybe. Good old sex toys. Yeah. So let's go to the other room. I thought about something. I think what I want to do in the future. Now that you say sex toys, okay, that's a strange thing to say. In the future, I want to make it this way. That basically once a week or so, I would make a live stream for 2, maybe 3 hours, and we're just gonna start from scrap, and we're gonna make a whole game in those 2-3 hours, and I'm gonna make it with you as chat together, and you just give me things, and I want to have a website where you can also upload pictures or sounds or anything, and I'll try to cram in as much as I can of those things into one game, and we're gonna have a game at the end of the day. So really, really small, stupid games, but then really funny. Like if you throw in sex toys, I'm gonna make a game about something with sex toys, stuff like this. And but that's planned for the future. I just want to finish this first. Yeah. Let's see. But that was one idea I had today, and I was like, yeah, that sounds like fun. So now I can grab this player that I just had and put it in here. Yoink, there he is, including cell phone, including everything. Yeah. So this whole prefab thing that I just did, I did because If I add a character model and so on, then I would have to do it in every single room that I have. Now I only have to do it once, and then let's change in all the rooms. Let's change the speed here a little bit. That feels better. Like we're a little bit slower. Maybe we're still too fast, actually. Yeah, that's okay. Like we're way slower now. And that's okay. I think. Yeah, slower. Slower in the house, of course, we're slower now. So now I want to place like items and things that we can do here and stuff like that. Yeah. Sorry. One. Something between my teeth, and you don't need to see that. It's still from lunch. I was having that between my teeth from lunch on, and I was like, oh, this is so annoying. Now it's gone. Yay. So I want to close all the doors here. It's a very small house. I kind of want to make it bigger, but I can't because this is the prefab I downloaded. But that's okay. I like small game. Sorry. I always get distracted because I think while I do. I should think before I do, but I just think while I do. That's a big problem here. Yeah, so like this, and then we can interact with the door and stuff. Do I have the flashlight as like a light here? Oh, I do. Where do I have things? Because a point light, that's the one I want. Because right now, when you're in the house right now, it's pretty dark. Like you can't see anything. And when you get too close to something, you still can't see anything because the camera, like the phone light, isn't directed to the center of the screen. You know what I mean? That's why I want to change. Whoops. I've got a second light. That is like the ambient light around it. And that's the one I want to change now until it looks okay. Something like this. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Maybe like this. By doing this, I can also see what's nearby. Yeah. We can't see what's in the distance, but we can still see what's nearby. That's what I want. So it's... Maybe let's say intensity 1. That should be fine. Like that should... Now, if we're getting close to something, we can still see it. Even though it's not like with the flashlight. The annoying thing was if we go somewhere with a flashlight and we got close, we couldn't see it anymore. Which, of course, is not how it should be. I could also rotate like the flashlight and stuff, but that's not how I have designed it. Well, like in mainland, 2 monsters down. Oh. I don't have any monsters down. I don't know yet. There's not a real plan behind it. It's more of a spontaneous thing. But there's gonna be like, there's a bunker area here and there's a hospital. Those are the locations then. Oh, and also the plan is what I'm not gonna. I don't want to spoil too much gameplay, so no, you won't. You won't hear it from me. I freaking can't remember how I do things. It's Rexible, right? That's the thing I need to. Class, mono behavior, and that. Yeah. Hey, Matty. Oh, it's Thursday, right? I haven't done one of those in 2 months. I'm sorry. It's almost 3 now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, wait, no, there's quests. I had one that's called quests. And in quests, I want now quest leg. No. Quests 010. And that one is going to be Sea Shack. Inside. Kind of, yeah. It's really the traditional stuff. We're not making anything special here. So in here, I want to have new so-called scripts, and that one is the exit door. What do I call? Could I call all of these quest 001 or something? Yeah, I did. Oh, sometimes Visual Studio does that, where it just gets locked in and it tells you, "Hey, I'm preparing stuff," but it doesn't. It's done. I'm like, I gotta restart it now. Sometimes it does that. It's really strange. It's free though. It's free, so I take this one over any other. Exit door, and that one is quest 010. Exit door. And it's not motor behavior, this one is interactable. There we go. And I've got the interactable, I've created that script before, and interactable means it has like stuff in it. You can use it, that's the thing. You can kind of use it. So let's see. And that door here, those doors, they should have that. Oh, whoops. Made a spelling mistake. I made an underscore where there was no underscore. So it is interactable and it says exit. And that we should already see now. Maybe, I don't know. Yoink. Ah, perfect. It works. Rigid body. I have to add a rigid body. That's it. Perfect, that works. It doesn't. Why doesn't it? Is trigger? No, that. How did my interactable script work again? Does anyone know? In cursor is interactable, blah blah blah. On trigger stay. I got. Oh fuck. I define it as a trigger? That's stupid, because if I activate this now as a trigger, I can't go through the door anymore. I can't go through the door. Yoink. Love it. Yoink. But it still doesn't work. What the shit? Matty, unfortunately, I only know the English books about it. But there's books, I think, called S7 Programming. Book. I think those. Automating with S7. It's called Automating with S7, and there's a 1500, 1200, 300. Automating with Semantic S7 if you want to get into that more. Those are some books that I used. The rest were German, like technical books on the topics. How do my interactables work again? I gotta fix that script because it should have been that easy, but it's not. So I'm angry at myself because I didn't do it right. Let's see, that chair here is an interactable. It's got exactly what I have. It's got the script, it's got a collider. That is not a trigger. I'm an idiot. Can you remember when I said like a second ago, oh, if I make this a trigger, it doesn't work anymore? That is because the cursor I have, the script I've written, it already has the trigger in. So the other side must not be the trigger. That's how I've prepared it. I'm an idiot. If both are triggers, it doesn't work. Okay, that works. But we have different problems. It doesn't work. Why? What? Funny thing is, I've got my cursor as something like this element, and the cursor is the trigger. Perfect. The cursor is the cursor layer. Let me guess. The cursor layer can only interact with the interactable layer. Do I have a layer? I mean, everything I did probably makes sense, but what? Why are those in the camera trigger layer? Doesn't make any sense at all. Sometimes I don't know what's going on. There we go. They were in the wrong layer. A layer is something that you can define. Hey, this layer can only interact with that layer. That's okay. Yeah, so now we've got the exit here with the E and it says exit and stuff. How do my freaking interactables work again? That's not what I want. That's not what I want. I want interactables. There we go. I mean, the script I've written is really ineffective, inefficient, and stupid. That's how it is. Why? Everything here is unsorted. Give me a minute. Ah, no, it's in there. No, give me a second. There. Yes. Cheer, Jessica. Cheer. Oh, I have this in the update script. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's put that in there. Should do it different, but I'll keep that in mind for later to fix something there. To make it 100 times more efficient. Which I don't want to do right now. Hi, Ali Khan. I'm doing great. I'm doing fine. It's almost weekend. I had to. This is my last day of vacation. No, tomorrow is my last vacation day. Scene manager.load scene. And the scene is going to be, how did I call it? Game Forest Night. So we've got the C-Shack inside that exit door. So right now, if I put this on the exit door, which I already have, yeah, if I interact with it, we should load the other scene. Game Forest Night cannot be found. Game Forest Night. Oh, it's not been added to the build settings. Okay. Sure. You can ask questions. Like, we're all friends here. That's the thing. Just ask. If I can't answer it, I just can't answer it. That's the thing. Oh, Game Forest Intro, Game Forest Night was not in here, and also the C-Shack is not in here. All of these are the so-called builds. Those are the things that are going to be final in the final game. All of the scenes. The rest is just not there. It might be for testing, it might be for anything. So if I hit E, I should go to the camp here. Yeah. Check consistency or on validate. UI scroll bar? I don't care. And we're gonna have a second one, another quest, and that is 011. That is the C-Shack outside. That C-Shack outside will also have the doors. Whoops. Quest 11, entry door. Hi, Sacred Sword. Haven't you been in yet? I swear I already read your name. But hi. Keine Ahnung haben will. First night. So we've got the doors, and the doors on the outside should also be interactable, like from the inside. You have to get in somehow. And that I do with the entry door script here. It's interactable. Enter. And there we go and we have, this is not the trigger, this needs a rigid body, yes, which is kinetic and not uses gravity. So, you just see that often, maybe that's it, maybe that's it. So now, if I interact with this, whoops, where is it? When I interact with those doors, I should be zoomed inside. I will add a loading screen later on. Why doesn't it show it to me? Again, wrong, stupid layer. Hate it. So now if I do this and hit E, yeah, it will load the room. I'm inside, and if I go here and hit E, it will go to the outside. I will make sure that later on we're gonna get teleported to the correct door. I'm gonna do it now. Pity Copic doesn't show my values in a trend. Does it show it to you in a trend? Did you go to the monitor mode? I don't know how the mode is called. I can't really show it. That's strange. Of course I get really stupid mails. Everyone gets stupid mails. That's what it is. That's how you do it. Everyone always gets stupid mails. That's how mails work. Almost every mail is stupid, I would say. Most of the times it's yes or no, or maybe, yeah, maybe some of them are useful. Okay, just type in, yeah, there we go. 36,000 clicks. Wow, that video is good. 700 likes. Mwah. Where is it? Like, if you want to go in there into the PID compact, you gotta go on commissioning. Here left on the side. On commissioning or this little toolbar there. And then it should show you the trend. If it doesn't, I don't know. Strange. No, yeah, I don't really get. Yeah, sometimes I do. But most of my students know that I just say, yeah, just do it. Just do whatever it feels right. Hi, Robbie. Hi. So Game Forest Night. This one will have spawn locations. And one spawn location is gonna be here in the camp. It's exactly where the player is right now. But let's see. Let's actually make another thing here for spawn locations. The other way around. Locations. Spawn. I like this more. And here we just need to define a couple of like locations. This is where the player gets loaded if he comes from. If he came out of the house, the player gets loaded in front of the house. If you start a new game, the player gets loaded in here. Stuff like that, right? How did I determine? I just always do the same thing. No, I don't know, actually. My tests are usually pretty easy. I always do very, very easy tests. Not very, very easy, but yeah. And mine are more applied. Like, you have to program a little bit, and it's not theoretical knowledge. I hate theoretical knowledge. Let's make those spheres. Let's give them a nice material so I know they look like material. Let's give that a name. Spawn. Yeah, spawn locations. Let's make that a nice little shiny color that I know later on. Of course, give me emissions so it's really perfect. That's great. That's how I want to see it. And that sphere is gonna have that. Yoink. Happy Diwali, is it Diwali? Hi, Atishka. Oh, let's make that a little bit smaller, maybe. So that is going to be the spawn location of our player. It doesn't have a collider. It gets the renderer just so, hey, so I can render it so I can see it. But I'll deactivate that anyway. That is a that is location. No, spawn camp. And then we're gonna have a second one of those, and that one is going to be, that one's hovering around here. Maybe with Halo. Hallo, not Halo. Hallo. That's just German for hi. Not gonna have Master Chief here. Where do I live? Hi, Alikan. Germany. I don't really like to say where in Germany. Just because I don't want to do that on the internet. But Germany. Which makes sense as a German. So that's the spawn location for the... when we exit the door, all that we need to do is, of course, now somehow write a script for it. So that one is going to be a little bit more difficult, and that's exactly why I have the player chat as a prefab. FBI is not Germany. FBI is only US, so they don't get on my ass. We have our own stuff here in Germany for it, so they don't care about me. No one. I just don't want to say it on the internet. Yeah, why am I not doxing myself? Strange, isn't it? Yeah, so we have this and C-Shake and that. So the player itself, there we go. The player will have just a spawn script. Right? Just a very, very simple spawn script. Add component, player spawn. Basically, that's part of our save system, but it's just a part. That definitely goes in the prefab. So that player spawn. Right. That player spawn we'll have a switch case statement, and we have it's something. German Bureau, German Bureau of Investigations. Yeah, they don't care about me either. No, it's just Germany. I'm German. I traveled. I used to live here and there, but it's just general. It's Germany. I need something here. Public transform we need, and that transform is location camp. Public transform location C-Check. And this is where we link the elements. And then we need, in here, I need something called a player pref. Player prefs is basically the save state. So I can save in the player prefs where to, like which spawn point to load. It's a little bit strange. You need a tutorial for US? Switch player prefs dot load get key get int get float get int get int. I don't know how those work. Spawn location. Toon shader graph? No, I don't want to. I'm not. Who am I, Danny? Love that guy, by the way. There's this YouTube channel called Danny, and he just makes funny shit. Default. What do I want to do? Default. What was I about to do? Oh, shit. I can't concentrate. I'm chatting too much. I'm sorry. And also my internet craps out right now. I'm sorry. Sorry for everything, but that's how it is. Defaults, then. Yeah, I will also actually link the player in here. What's the progress? It's going on. Like, it still needs a couple of weeks probably. And next week I've got a lot of work, so I can't work on it. So it's gonna take some time. Zelda-like. No, I don't want the shader. No, Toon Shaders. No, it's a horror game. It's a standard, cheap, easy horror game. Using the standard, cheap shaders. So I will test it with those two cases. If the spawn location is 0, that's the standard thing. That's also the default case then. Then I want the player transform to be equal to the location camp. And I think it's read-only, right? Oh, it's not. Yes. No, I didn't. I want to add those later on. I haven't used any. I used the standard. It's really everything standard shaders and standard stuff. It's a really cheap thing so far. I'm gonna do maybe I will do fine tuning once I really get into it. So that should be it. The only thing that we need to do is basically save this thing here. Whenever we enter a room and exit a room, this is like, we need to save that variable here. Favorite fast food? Probably burgers. I would say just a good old burger with a lot of meat on it. Love McDonald's. I prefer Burger King, but I also love McDonald's. But I enjoy pizza as well. I enjoy a good sandwich. I enjoy them all. Yeah, just burgers. Let's grab this one here. Eye of the Tiger. I wasn't singing Eye of the Tiger. What? So this is the sea shack. This is the player on the player itself. That's the night. Yes, we only need this in the night time. Actually, the rest of the time we don't need it. The McDonald's fries are okay. I prefer Burger King fries. Can I get the room name somehow? Because right now I need the room name. Get a room name Unity. Probably how to list the rooms. No, Photon player, blah blah blah. Photon network. What? How to get room properties? Yeah. Fat jokes? What? Photon network? How can I list rooms? No, how to get a no. What? Room name Unity. Can I get a room name? Oh, scene name, not room, scene name. Whoops. Yeah, thanks. I was just googling the wrong word. Of course that doesn't work. If scene dot name is not equal to the daytime thingy here. I don't care actually. No, I actually do care. So I only want to do this when we're in this room called Game Forest Night. What is this? Why doesn't it work? Runtime data structure for Unity file. What? Returns a runtime? I don't want to return a runtime. What the shit? kidding me? Okay. It's more complicated than I thought. God damn it, there we go. The 3 months I cannot be bothered to do anything else now. Yes, that's pretty much how I work. I cannot be bothered for anything more now. So, if the scene name is this, then I want to load. Else, I don't want to do anything. Let's put that in brackets so it's pretty. I look like Issei Sagawa. I have no idea who the frick that is. He's Japanese! And he looks like terrifying. He looks like a serious killer or something. A cannibal Japanese murderer. Yeah, sure. But you're right, he looks a little bit like me. Oh yeah, it's a serious. Yeah. And a cannibal. So if that's the case, then this, then this, then that. The player transform is this transform here. Whoops. Oh, I know what I could have done. Doesn't matter. He's skinny. I'm chubby. Yeah, but I'm like 80% of me is actually muscles. So yeah, it's not like I'm not chubby. I'm pretty strong actually. I'm strong. I still gotta work out today. I forgot. So I won't continue for like always. Like I can't continue for another hour. So I will just finish this like loading thing here, like the this stuff. And I keep getting distracted and I don't know what I'm doing. Yes, so blah blah blah, then the location camp should be loaded. Okay. So the last thing that I actually want is the following. When we go into the room, when we leave the room. This here is the exit room. When we leave the room, we want to load the game, the other map, but I want to set this player pref here. I want to set this player pref, and that is to 1. Set int, and that's spawn location and 1. Let's try it once without and once with. If that works, then mwah. Okay, that worked. So if I now go into the sky looks nice. So now if I go into the room, and if I exit the room again, we should spawn in the camp, because I commented this stuff out. So yeah, we're in the camp. And now if I put that back in that bit of code, I don't have tattoos. Like, I don't have tattoos, I don't have piercings, I don't have anything permanent on my body. Like, I'm 32 years old. My body is broken enough without those things. Never really wanted a tattoo or anything. So if I now go into the room, to the house, that should work fine. If I go back in, back out, we should actually spawn in front of the house. Yeah, that worked. Perfect, that worked. I look like Jesus? I don't. Maybe the biblical projection of it, but that's like not the biblical, but the one that the US and everyone came up with. Maybe like the Zodiac Killer. Yeah, maybe a little bit. I'm a top shape. I don't need any improvements. That's the correct attitude. Thank you. Why didn't that work? Let's see. Debug.log. Just want to get the player prefs here. So now we should get the thing listed. Like every time, whenever I load the room, like we should get listed the number that is there. Come on. Oh, it's a 1. Do I have to do this following thing? Can I only do this? Because the whole transfer... Oh, yeah, I can only do this because now it was referencing to the other thing. I think I have to do the positioning. Then I also have to do the rotation. So now I should actually pop up at the house. Yeah. Breakfast, I'll eat ya. Don't report me. Don't report me for eating ye. Yeah, we need to have the positioning here. And before I just assigned the whole transform, which actually made a cross-reference of it, which doesn't really work that way. I'll take both. Oops. I won't eat anyone. I'm not a cannibal. I don't want to... I couldn't. Humans are disgusting. I gotta say it. Humans are disgusting. Why would anyone want to eat them? Because humans literally are really disgusting animals. That's it. So the next thing that we need to do is there's going to be a continue button and a not continue button. So in the menu, in the main menu, give me that script. In the main menu, when we press on the start game button, I want to set the player pref. Yeah. I want to set this integer to 0, so whenever we restart the game, when we click on new game, we will spawn back in the camp, which is of course important. So right now the value should still be 1, so it should bring me directly to the C-check. Yeah. Also correct rotation. If I now hit escape and go camping, it should bring me back to the camp because it just loads in there. Yes, okay. No, wait, it's still 1. Oh, it's still 1. No, it does that. Okay. So we have like a save system. It's not much, but it does that. Just testing. It doesn't matter what I'm doing right now. I just have to verify something for myself in my head so I can sleep without thinking about it. Enter. That's okay. And exit. Should spawn here. Perfect. And now it's a 1. So that means if I quit this and if I go in here, now I'm spawning there. Is that correct? Yeah. I go camping, now it's 0 again, and we should spawn back there. So I think we have the first part of our save system here. Yeah. That worked. I mean, the rotation is wrong, but that's okay. No, camp. Yay! Oh, the last thing, of course, I don't want to get that all the time. So, that is good. That works. We have kind of a save system. We have a room. Now we're loading different rooms, right? Yeah. Right now it is, now it's grayed out, yeah. Let's add that very quick. You're right. That's a good idea. Start game, we've got start game and we have, whoops. Start game and we have resume game. Or continue or whatever. What did the button say? Resume, right? I think it does that. Resume, yeah. When we resume, it's gonna do all that. Yes. It's gonna load. We can only resume in the other room. We're not gonna, like, we can't save inside one level itself. Yeah. That's it. No, that's this. And the only thing that we also need to add is like a save system, and it's gonna be on player chat. No, I'm gonna put it somewhere else. I'm gonna just make an empty element, and that's the save system. Script save system. I'm doing good. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Armor. You work on a new language. You don't even know what the language is. PSCs have 5 languages. 1500 has 5 different languages. It's not too much. It might be SCL if you don't know what it is. Just copy and paste a small part of it, and I will tell you what it is. It's probably SCL. I don't know. No, not really. Depends on what language it is. I don't know what language is it. So save system here. Player press dot set int set bool. Can I set bool? Oh, it doesn't even have bool. Interesting. Set int and save exists. And that I will set to 1. Hi, Mache. Hi. STL statement list. I don't really like STL, and it's not the one that 1500s go for anymore. It's the thing you used for 300s and 300s only. The rest, if you still use it for 1500s, you're doing it wrong. Not 100% correct what I just said, but pretty much, yeah. So when we start this, the player prefs will set the save exists to 1. That I want to set to 0 if we start a new game, because that's going to override the old game that we have. Yeah. And that's all I need to do with this right now. The only thing I want to add is when we're in the main menu, when we're starting the main menu, then we can activate the button. No interactable. Oops. Get int. I did something wrong, and I don't know what I did. Is this a semicolon? No. If player fraps... Oh, there. Of course. So that's this. No idea if that works now. You would have to get through the whole thing to test it once. So I want to do that. Let's do it. So from the main menu on, we don't have a save state, so I cannot resume. Which makes sense. I can't go camping. And now we will need to create this save state, which I can simulate by just going into the night here. And now we have it. No, we don't have one yet. I need to go into the... No, we have one. Now the continue button should not be grayed out anymore. Wrong room. Let's see. Now it should be fine. I did not link it. Now it should be. Doesn't do anything yet because I have not linked the action to it. Main menu, resume. That's it. Now we can resume. There we go, got this. Yeah, that's SCL. That's how you spell it. Yeah, that's SCL. I have a couple of videos on it. Your portal SCL. Hi, Tommy's love. I don't feel like doing those lately, but you're right. I should do them. One main problem that I explained last stream is I don't have a valid license to actually make those videos now. Mine ran out, and I don't really want to buy one right now. I will. I have to at some point, but I don't have a private license. Those are my private videos. That's what's restricting me right now. But yeah. But Armor, I made some videos on it. I think, yeah. I'll just share that. Give me a second. Probably have a playlist on it. And we're almost done with what we wanted to do for the game today. So, guys, I'm gonna be out in a couple of minutes, probably. There we go. That's the playlist. Let's share the playlist. Let's copy this. Yeah. The basic stuff, Armor, that one here is for you. I cannot get copyrighted on my own videos. I cannot get copyrighted on my own video. That's not possible, is it? The playlist is for programming. No need to touch it if you don't want to program like PLCs. Too late. Hi, Salvatore. Okay. Let's export. Let's test everything that we've done in the version in the game, and then we know if it works. You're very welcome, Armor. You go out there, learn a little bit, have fun, work, and just do your best. But also, don't forget to rest, because that's what I'm gonna do in a minute. I want to sue myself. No, I don't really want to. Is that possible? I mean, there's people that suit themselves, but I don't even know if our system would do that. If it would be possible. We can play around a Scribble. Just a very quick one. What? No, with my license. Tommy's do you mean with my license or do you mean with the videos? I have the full rights on my videos. There's nothing there. And I made those videos with my private license, but that was only that was only a limited time license, which ran out. So I can't really do anything on that right now. And I don't want to use my work license because that's against the license agreements. And I don't go against license agreements. So if I go camping now, we should pop up in the camp. We can do the little quest here and the stuff. Right. Can go back. Wow, I can't resume. I can go camping, but I can't resume. That's good. Now, if I go into the house that we set up. Why can't I not go in here? Oh, it's nighttime. We have to turn on nighttime. Oh, shit. So, let's go and meet Jessica. Oops. Jessica. Yeah, I'm gonna start the Scribble machine in a minute. We're gonna play around the Scribble. Yoink. We gotta go through the dialogue that I have programmed. Oh, shit. Jessica, just hurry up. Jessica, just hurry up, man. Oh, Jessica, just come on. God, freaking dang it. My battery runs out before you do anything, Jessica. Oh my god. Jessica, shut up. Why did I already program this? Oh, but I want to test the game so far if it works until there. So yeah. I have to repair her hair. It's very, very, very reflective. Gotta change some parameters there. It's kind of annoying. Putting my camera on. Oh, what's this there? Oh, no, is that something? Oh, wow, it's a deer. Jessica, go. Just go. Just go, Jessica. Why did I do that? As soon as she sits down, I think I can interact with this chair here. Yay. And that will load the other... Oh, it doesn't fucking load... Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry for cursing, I didn't want to curse. It doesn't load the other room, it just changes the thing. Oh, God. Give me a second. God damn it. scene management. Scene, not scene manager dot load scene, and the scene is called, I always forget, game forest night. Good. I'm not gonna go through all that again. I just pretend it's working. No, there's nothing like this. I would have to get one. I could ask Siemens if they give me one, but I don't really want with my videos. I don't really want Siemens involved with my videos. Oh, look at this, a spam bot. Perfect. I love spam bots. Hi, T.S. Sandman. Hello. Hi. Welcome for joining us. Great. Perfect. Love it that you're here, Mr. Bot, sir. Or ma'am. I don't know. And yes, I definitely want to test it again. So we gotta go through Jessica's stupid dialogue again. Let's see, that works. Go camping works. Go camping works. And oh no, I'm an idiot. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Because I prepared that. Why do I never think about what I prepare things and then I never use them? Bruh. Yeah, I'm sorry. I just assumed that Jenna. Yeah, I know. Please don't sue me or anything. Is interactable. That's it. So that's the one checkbox that I had to set to actually make this test mode on. I'm an idiot. By the way, tomorrow, I cannot mention it enough. There's hopefully the technician that wants to repair my internet. He can fix it. And from then on, I can finally stream again. Like, correct. Not just programming. I can do gaming. I could do gaming. I could also do gaming. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But also still programming. Yeah, I also have some Siemens contacts, Tomislav. The thing is, I don't want them really involved. And if I want them involved, it is hi Hugh, what's up? Not much, almost done for the day. If I want Siemens involved, then it should be I should also get on in their payroll a little bit. That's why. But then I need to contracts and stuff. All of that is going on in the background as well, actually, with me and Siemens there. But yeah, it's a process. It's not the easiest thing. So if I do this other room is going to be loaded, and now we should already have a save game. We have the save game. If I click go camping, we don't have a save game anymore. That's the reset thing. Of course, that's going to be like a pop-up, but that's okay. Go camping. Look at the loading screen. Oh, delicious loading screen. There we go. That's the one we made last time. And I can resume. And now we got here. And now it's nighttime. And the last thing here is, now let's test if the room correctly loads. So if I go into this room, yoink, we're now in here and blah, blah, blah. At some point, we're going to leave. And now if I go back to the main menu, if I resume, we should be back at the C-Shack. We're not. Fuck. Why not? That worked already, didn't it? Shit, I was so confident that it's gonna work. I was 100% sure. Fuck. No! Why? Okay, I gotta fix this. The last thing, I gotta fix this, huh? So that works. We're in the night now. I go here, I click resume. I'm still at the camp. Okay, that worked. Hey, but it worked. Like, we had that a minute ago. Let's go in here. There's the door. Let's enter the door. Let's exit again. Why am I popping up here? Yeah, I will. That's why in the future I will, but right now I just won't. Hey Dora, hi. Well, the scooter like it does its thing. It just works. That's the thing. I can pick it up and go on the street and just roll with it. Right. Press space to woo. So that works. I made some improvements on it as well, but not much. Um, we had that working, didn't we? Vroom! I don't have the vroom sound in there. No. I mean, the vroom sound is still there, but I still have it on my desktop. Okay, no. Scene name? Yeah, that's okay. Why? What? Why didn't that work? Room. I didn't leave you. Oh, she left. Yeah, why did you leave? From tomorrow on, I can do gaming again, and that's when you're also gonna be involved again with multiplayer stuff. I don't know yet, but there's gonna be multiplayer stuff probably. Let's see. Yeah, that's okay. Why didn't it work? Why didn't that work? It didn't work. It worked before. So it's 1. Spawn location is 1. That worked. Now it, what? That worked. What? Resume. Okay, now we're in here. Go camping. Resume doesn't work anymore because we went new game. Okay. If I do this, okay, I'm back here. That's what I want. Resume. Should be in the camp. Okay, I'm in the camp. What the shit? I go in here. That's okay. And the last thing, I go out here. Now it should say 1. Yes. Why do I show up in camp? Why do I show up in game? Among Us is popular free to play. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I don't. Why? Resume. The frame rate drops. Like my frame rate. That's why I can't do gaming stuff. Okay. I I have a suspicion. I do have a suspicion. And I also kind of don't. Where are my sunglasses? They're on my table. I can swim. It's not the fog again, SPNS. No, it's oh, it is quite the complex problem actually. Oh my god, it's quite complex. There we go. There we go. That's better. No, I can't see shit anymore now that the screens are too dark. I turned down my screen brightness. I think I know what the problem is. No, fuck. Chat Merle. Yeah, that's me. That's how they call me. Oh shit, I think I know what the problem is, but it's... Oh my god. I know what the problem is. It's sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and the thing is this here. Um, because because the game isn't loaded yet. The room is not changed yet, but the element is already loaded. So that's why the scene name is not correct yet. I'll just do a trick. That's it, done. That should have fixed it, probably. Yeah, I also like my shades, but it doesn't make sense to wear them like right now. I mean, with the lights on, it kind of makes sense, but not 100%. Now I think that fixed it. Oh, we have a save state. That's why one it loaded. Go camping. That resets it. Now we should be in the camp. That's good, and I can continue and always will spawn in the camp. Okay. Okay, that works. And the last thing... Whoops. Play Twitch Sings? What is Twitch Sings? I don't even know what that is. So now that should work. Fucking hell, it doesn't. Online karaoke? I don't really do karaoke, no. So singing video, that would be the same in the end. So now it works. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, I'm mortified. Like I'm thinking because I said I want to finish this, and now I'm like this is gonna take time actually, and I need to think about it. It leads to 100,000 other problems that I didn't think about. Hey Cortex, I don't go with money. You can just watch my videos, or I can just recommend you a channel. Just watch the Brackies. Just watch Brackies. I don't want your money. If you want to learn stuff and if you have questions, you can always pop up here in the live stream and just ask questions. Right? You can always like come in here and ask questions, but I don't really want to like do those kind of lessons. It's a hobby. It sounds like work. And I'm also doing my first horror game. It's really like I don't know what I'm doing, as you can see right now. Let's see. Program. Do I have a donation link? I do somewhere in my videos, but no need. It's fine. I saw somewhere in some videos you can find my donation link. I think in all my videos I have on Tia Portal, you can find the donation link, but nah. Just ask questions, man. No. I think right now this is the thing that fucks up everything. Shit. Just watch the stream. Yeah, right now I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna finish for today in like a minute or so. My subscription is my donation. Oh, that's right. That's right. On Twitch, you can just subscribe. That's the thing that would make sense. Let me see. Reset is called. Then we have the start event. Start is only ever called once for a given script. Then we have the fixed update. That's already. Is there no late start or something? Is there no late start? Sure, Alican, shoot. There's fixed update. There's update. Is there nothing like late or something? On application, on disable, on destroy. Shit. First scene load. Oh, on awake. There we go. No, before. Shit, before. It's called before. On enable. What do you call it? Such as the level. On enable would probably make sense, but no. You're very welcome, Robbie. Before the first frame update. Start is called before the first frame update. Only if the script instance is enabled. In between, no update order. No. Shit, I will have to. That's why I was so shocked. That's why I was so shocked when I saw this problem right now. Because I know how much problems it will cause. Hi, Rox. I watched you today, like for 5 minutes, playing. What was it? Commandos? Did you play Commandos today? I watched you like yesterday? Today or yesterday? It was fun to see. Like, I haven't played that game for ages. I saw you playing the being the doctor guy and just injecting poison into people. That was fun. So I'm gonna take care of this problem the next time. Or I will care about it afterwards. Like right now, I'm not like it's almost been 2 hours. That's enough. It's Scribble time. Let's play 1 or 2 rounds of Scribble, and that should be enough. Chicken or pork? Both fine. Status is tuning. Status is tuning, but has not started in the PID compet. So you can't set the mode manually. There's like a button, like a drop down, and you can just set it to automatic. Commandos. Yesterday, okay. I will take care of this problem later. I don't know. It's wow. I gotta read about it. It's probably not difficult to take care of. Scribble. Let's play Scribble. So Scribble, I'm this guy. I've got a mustache. Is there one with like sunshades? There we go. That's me with a mustache. I actually want to shave my beard, except for the mustache for Movember, which came before. No, not November. That's nonsense. Right. Last time we played, you dropkicked me. So I'm creating this private room. I just gotta give you the link, and everyone with the link. You can't just click on it and just join. It's basically we need to draw and then that's it. We need to draw and guess. Whenever I'm drawing, I will blank out my screen so that you can't cheat. So we're done with programming for the day. I will probably fix the problem afterwards. Maybe not. I don't know yet. Shorox, I also did like you also played Unreal Tournament. I like to jump into your streams just for like a couple of minutes. I'll say hi next time, but I just jump in there for a couple of minutes. You just click on the link. Just click on the link I sent. And that's it. Yeah, I watched you playing Unreal Tournament. I like those old games. Like, they remind me of when I was young. I'll remember to say hi next time. So there should have been like a... Yeah, I just had the link. You just click on the link. You gotta type it out? Why? Why do you have to type it out? I'm sorry if you have to type it out. That's insane. I don't know how much. I think 8 or 10 players are the maximum. So there we go. Don't call Artux chicken. He's the captain. Oh, okay, you're on iPad and you want you want to, yeah, for this you don't need to keep watching actually. You will have the stuff on your screen. Oh, Diablo 2. Jagged Alliance 2, I probably even have that installed. I literally played that last month on Steam. Not last month, but half a year ago or so. Already, I love that game. That game was, oh, it's not on Steam. I got it somewhere else. That game, I love it. One of my favorite games ever. Especially when there's the secret lab where you can get those tiny pocket rocket launchers. Those are the best. Way too slow and you can't type. That's fine. Yeah, so everyone's in. Like, I'll give you 10 more seconds. I saw it, Red. I saw you. Yeah. You need to... 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. You don't... Like, you should see something drawn and you have to guess what it is. That's it. And since I don't want to see you to show you my guesses, I will go here. Right now, Red has to choose a word. Like, he's got 3 words and he has to choose. And that one is the one with 3 letters. Hat. I like hat. Custom words, red. Nah. What is that? Oh, got it. Rocks, good job. Wow, that was fast. Good drawing, good drawing. Good, yeah. One problem that will be there when it's my turn, you can see the words on my screen. So yeah, don't cheat. If you want to cheat, just look on my screen, but focus on yours right now, right? If you want to cheat, you can see the word I have on my screen. You lost connection? I'm sorry. I think you can rejoin. I'm sorry. What? That's probably, you're probably doing it correct, but I don't know. What? You have it? I got, okay, I got it. I had the word, like, in German. I had the German word for it. Got me points? Do they look like this? I don't really play on my Switch much. Bruh. Oh, you're back in. I'm so looking forward to tomorrow when my internet is fixed. So looking forward. I hope they can do it. There's no guaranteed, but I hope they can. That's a face. That's a nose. That is a donut. Oh, that could be a donut. What the? Yeah, of course, I know what that is. Oh, I know. I don't know how it's in German. I don't know the English word. I don't know. I literally don't know the English word. Schallplatte. Schallplatte. I know. You can't write the word. That's no, don't. Ah, there I've got it. Yes. Ah, god damn it. I didn't know the English. I just didn't have the word. Like, the drawing was good, but I didn't have the word. Oh my god. You could disconnect it again. I'm sorry, nothing I can change. But you're back in. Okay, after this, I will need to draw. Chicken. Yeah, that's maybe a chicken. What the shit is this? That's a fish. That's a fish. Oh no, that is this one here. Got it. Cheers on me. Ha, I got it. Fools. You know the Slavic word? um I had those once. Like when I visited the US, we had like all you can eat. It was an all you can eat buffet, and I had as much lobster as I wanted to. Was insane. I don't show my screen right now because I'm choosing a word. Let's go with the simple one. Okay, that one's simple. That one worked well. That's one of the words I would even guess without having anything. That's one of the words I would guess. Oh, that's so much. Oh, that's so many letters. Are you insane? I don't even know that many letters. It's a crown? How the fuck do you know? What? SB, how did you know this? You're kidding. What? How in the world? You counted the letters? Ugh. Uh. Oh my god, that word is also long. He was a boy, she was a girl. No, andersrum, ne? The other way around. She was a girl, he was a boy. Could I make it any more obvious? It wasn't thunderstorm this time. I can tell. And I would have never guessed thunderstorm from what you were drawing. I don't even know what you were about to draw. Wait, is it my turn? No, after you. Okay. It was a good drawing. That easy, simple on the point. That's a pot. No, that's 4 letters. That's a book. That's a window. It's this one. Wait, I was the slowest. Ah, come on. Almost. I got it. I mean, yeah. Good drawing, good drawing. It's my turn. Oh, you didn't see it. You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. Where is it? This one here. There we go. You cheated, Red. You saw it. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, almost. You saw it. Unfortunately, my mistake. It's okay. I would have done the same. Wait, I win. I win. I win. I win. So close. It doesn't matter. It was fun. That was fun. But for now, guys, thank you for joining. Enjoy your evening. Tomorrow, I will let you know if my internet works again, and I will stream probably some really good, like 4K game and best quality and stuff, and 240 FPS and stuff. Don't call anyone a cheater if you can't say anything, if you can't prove. So, okay, good. Thanks, guys, for joining. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye.